Hi, my name is Marietta Mehanni, and this week's Aqua Tip, I'm going to show you a rocking horse with some different arm actions. Now, we're going to do some with the palm and some with the back of the hand, and they do feel different. A rocking horse is, just for clarification, one leg forwards and the opposite leg going back. We are going to do figure of 8 arm actions. So we're going to go, this is overhand, then pull back, we're using the palm of the hand, and we're also going to go with the back of the hand, which will feel completely different. They're two separate exercises. So let me go ahead and demonstrate the palm action with the figure of 8. It feels great. You've got to really dig in to take the arms over. It helps throw the body forwards and back. Oh no, and it will get the heart rate up because you're really trying to dig in and you're working through the chest and the biceps and the upper body. When we go with the back of the hand, it feels very different. So I'm now going to go back of the hand through the water. And you get to work all the opposing muscles, posterior deltoid, triceps. Now, I closed my fingers a lot more when I did the back of the hand than when I did with the palm of the hand. So, and it also feels very different. When I do palm of the hand, I'm really working hard to throw myself forward. When I do back of the hand, I'm working really hard to pull myself back. And then I get more abdominals this way, I get a bit more back that way. It's quite different and they're very unique exercises. So if you like, you could do rocking horse using the palm and then get them doing exactly the same thing, but now turning the hand the other way, because you literally switch the muscles that are involved. Just remember to tell them to work hard when they pull back with their palm, to pull back, and then when they're using the back of the hand, they have to push forwards hard to be able to get the back of the hand and get that whoosh forwards. Great little alternative way to do rocking horse, and that is this week's Aqua Tip. Okay, let's talk about this rocking horse move and how to demonstrate it. And I also want to provide a little bit of clarification. So rocking horse, as you know, is that movement forwards and back. And in particular, I'm talking about the arm actions that go out to the side, because of course, there's lots of different arm actions that you can do. And what I'm referring to here is the figure of 8 arm action. So I initially demonstrated it with the palms working through the water. So when you're teaching this to your class, rocking horse is not a difficult move to demonstrate on pool deck because you don't need to jump. You just lift one leg up, take the other leg back and allow your body to move forwards and back. Now with this open palm, so I'll often say, spread the fingers wide, use the palm to work through the water. And you're going over and under. And I'll actually turn either on a diagonal or more side on so they can see that arm action. And then I'll stop with my legs to really emphasize the arms. Now, when you do the figure of 8 with the palms, you actually have to throw yourself forwards. So you throw yourself forwards when you work with the palms. So this is something you also emphasize with how you're demonstrating. So the way I would teach it is rocking horse, lifting one leg up in front, other one behind, and I'm actually really specific. So I'll say right leg left leg, and I'm always mirror imaging my clients. So this is their right leg, that's their left leg. It's actually my left leg and right leg. And I'll say, okay, fingers open, long arm actions, and I want you to throw yourself forwards. Now using the palm, open, under, so over and under with both your arms. So I really highlight some different things here. And then when you're wanting to work with the back of the hand, which changes everything, right? I will say, okay, now do the same thing, or I'll probably do the other side, do something else, and then introduce the rocking horse with the change in the hand position. Back of the hand, back of the hand. So fingers together, lead with the back of your hand as you go forwards and as you go back. And what I want you to do is pull back, pull back, pull back. So emphasize the kick forward. And of course, you want to make sure that they are aware that they'll feel this in their abdominals more as they pull themselves back. So I tell the clients, you're going to feel it here. It's a great move to do because of the variety that it actually provides depending on which side of the hand that you're leading with. And God, I love the figure of 8 motion. It's just this big, beautiful movement pattern. Of course, a move like that requires music that might be a little bit slower in tempo because we're talking long levers here and big arm actions. So you want to make sure your clients have enough time to perform it well in the pool. All right, and thank you so much for watching this. Hit subscribe, hit the notification button if you want to know of all the upcoming aqua tips.